Let's talk about teeth grinding during sleep, also known as bruxism. There can be several reasons for bruxism. Some common causes include stress, anxiety, an abnormal bite, crooked or missing teeth, sleep disorders, and even certain medications. It's important to identify the underlying cause to effectively manage bruxism. How do you identify bruxism? Some common indicators include waking up with a sore jaw or headache, teeth that are worn down, chipped, or sensitive, and even a partner or a family member hearing the grinding sound during sleep. This can cause tooth wear, jaw pain, headaches, and other dental issues. It's important to address this issue because it can impact oral health. Remember, early identification is the key.